GCSE 9 to 1 Maths, looking at a start of a GCSE Foundation Tier OCR June 2022 Paper 2 non-calculated paper. Okay, so first two questions in roughly, 4 minutes. Okay, let's go. This is question number 1. Work out 4 subtract 5, so 1 AI. So negative numbers, 4 take away 5 is equal to -1 or -1. Okay, -1. Because 4 take away 4 is 0, and then -1, I get to -1. 2 times -3, well, a positive times a negative, the sign will be a negative, so it'll be -6, okay, or -6, okay. Part I, 1/7 plus 2/7, same denominator, I'm just going to add the numerator, 1 plus 2 is going to be 3, so the answer is 3/7, okay. Part IV, okay, or part 4, half of 1.5. Well, 1.5 as an improper fraction will be 3/2. Of means multiplied, so it's a half multiplied by 3/2, okay? Because 1 whole is 2 halves plus 1/2, I'm going to get 3/2. Okay, of means multiply. So multiplying fractions, I'll multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. So 1 times 3 is going to be 3. 2 times 4 is going to be, 2 times 2 is going to be 4, sorry. So the answer is 3/4, sorry. Part B, write down the largest prime factor of 30. So the factors of 30 are as follows. Is 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Okay, so they are all my factors. Okay, so the highest number that is a prime number, so prime number means it has 2 factors, 1 and itself, is actually the number 5, okay? So the number 5 is the largest prime factor of 30. Question 2a, what fraction of the shape is shaded? Well, it's 1, 2 out of 3 parts. So the answer is 2/3. Part B, what percentage of this shape is shaded? Well, it's 1, 2, 3 out of 4 parts. So the answer is going to be 3/4 as a percentage. That's equal to 75%. Because 1/4 is 25%. So times it by 3 and I'm going to get 75%. Okay. Again, if you're not sure about that, then please check out my other videos looking at how to convert between a fraction, decimal, and percentage. Okay. Part C, write 0.2 as a fraction, give your answer in its simplest form. So 0.2, so looking at my place value, so it's 2 in the tenths column, so it'd be 2/10 or 2 out of 10. Dividing top and bottom by 2 because it's an even number, I'm going to get 1/5 or 1 out of 5. Okay. So 1/5. Okay, 1 mark for getting 2/10. Another mark is to simplify your fraction. Okay, in the mark scheme. Part D, work out 80% of 30, so percentage of an amount. I'm going to work out what 10% is. So 10% of any quantity means I divide it by 10, so that'll be 3. Okay, 80% will be 8 lots of 10%, so 8 lots of 3, which is equal to 24. Okay, my guessing here is that you'll get 1 mark to work out like 10% or 1% or whatever, and then another mark here to obviously work out what 80% is. Okay, so 80%, I worked out what 10% is. 10% means dividing your quantity by 10. Okay, so it's 30 divided by 10, which is 3, and then 80% is going to be 8 lots of that. Okay, and that's my answer for that question. Okay, and that's how to answer the first 2 questions of a GCSE maths paper for the foundation tier. So this will be appropriate for AQA foundation and edXL foundation as well, actually. Okay, so please do practice these questions, okay, and try other examples as well, actually, guys. Okay, but hopefully that makes sense. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care, all the best, keep well, keep safe.